what do you have in the package if you order the Showtec QubiQ S1500? Let's open it up together. First and foremost, you're gonna have the manual with all of the instructions that you need to put the machine into place. Next one, we have the power cord cable. Power cord always good, new standard, lockable, great cable. And we have the control here with the dial encoder, 5-pin cable. And last but not least, we have the fog machine. Let's take it outside of the box and see what we got. Oof. It's a heavy machine, about 12 kilograms. So there we go. Put this. So there we go. Here's an overview what all comes in the box: machine, cables and manual. On the front of the machine you'll also see an attached hose adapter, which is super useful for additional accessories. On the back of the unit you will find the menu with the setup buttons similar to the controls of the remote control. And then on the bottom of the unit you have all the inputs. On the left the 5-pin remote, followed by the DMX in and out, the fuse and the power con in and out. One feature that stands out with this machine is the temperature control. On the display you can see the current temperature of the machine, if it's heated up or not, and also which percentage the output is currently standing at. Moving forward, another specialty of this machine is the hidden tank. Underneath the magnetic latch you will find the normal tank, which is actually pretty nice because it gives a stealth look, a very clean look, and you don't have this tank very visible from the outside. Overall, the machine is very well built, has a good look to it, and the feature that I was most excited about was the fact that it's temperature controlled and should be able to have a continuous fog output up to 40% of output. So I'm super excited to see if that's really going to be the case and if the machine can handle that. Setting the output to 100%, the machine is able to output fog for about 10 consecutive seconds. After that, the heating element is cooled down and need to reheat for the next push of fog. Now comes the moment of truth. I'm reducing the output to 20%. According to Showtec, even an output reduced to 40%, the machine should be able to continuously output fog without the need of reheating the heating element. Unfortunately, as you can see in my test, even with reducing the fog output to 20% and not the advertised 40%, the fog machine could only output continuous fog for about a minute. After that, it had to reheat again, which is pretty disappointing, seeing that that's the kind of USP from the machine and was one of the biggest reasons I bought this machine. If you don't need the feature of continuous fog output, you can get a great fog machine with the Showtec QubiQ S1500. Great design, great build quality, just not a continuous fog output. For me, unfortunately, I need the continuous fog output, and that's the reason why I'm sending it back.